Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a beginner's guide to Coinbase. First, go to the Coinbase website or download the Coinbase app. Then provide your name and email address and create a password. For US users, you'll need to verify your state of residence and enter a phone number for two-factor authentication or 2FA. You can connect a bank account, debit or credit card, or use a wire transfer. Then follow the prompts to verify your chosen payment method. Explore the list of available cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ATH, and more. Now select the cryptocurrency you want to buy, choose the amount, and place your order. Ensure two-factor authentication is enabled for added security. Then make sure your password is strong and unique. Coinbase offers a secure wallet to store your cryptocurrencies. Cold storage. 98% of customer assets are stored offline using cold storage wallets. Coinbase offers a Learn to Earn program where you can take courses about specific cryptocurrencies and earn rewards for correctly answering quizzes. Coinbase provides customer support around the clock. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.